Hello all. In the previous videos we have discussed on what is big data, what is analytics. Also we have seen few of the sources of big data. So in today's video we will go through what are the big data technologies and we'll discuss about one of the most commonly used big data technology. So as you know, this technology is changing the way in which the data is being produced, processed, analyzed and consumed. Also we know that the technology is the one which helped to evolve new as well as more effective data sources, and this same technology itself helps to process the data quickly, efficiently and also to visualize it to the particular users on their decisions to be taken. And it is also the same technology is playing the main role in the entire process of how we can gather the data as well as how we can use the data. So as I told, we today's session we will discuss about Hadoop. So as few of you might have known, Hadoop is an open source platform which is mainly used for storing as well as processing diverse data types that enables the enterprises to derive the complete value from all the data which has been stored there. So there are many big data technologies that is making an impact, but Apache's Hadoop is the one technology that tops the big data world. So when we talk about Hadoop's history, there are two main people who are behind it. The original creators of Hadoop are Dow Cutting and Mike Afrella. Dow Cutting is an advocate and is also a software engineer. He used to initially work with Yahoo and now he is working with Cloudera. Mike Afrella is a computer scientist who is mainly specialized in database management system. Also, he is an associate professor at the University of Michigan. So this Dow and Mike were actually building a project which is called as Nutch, and the goal of the Nutch was to create a large web index. So they were generally referring to the papers from Google mainly on MapReduce and the GFS. So GFS is nothing but Google file system, and they have found that these papers are very much relevant to the problem that Nutch was trying to solve. So that is how they integrated the concept of MapReduce and GFS into Nutch, and which became the genesis of the Hadoop project. So this Hadoop name itself has come from the toy which Doe's son was using. So it's an yellow elephant. So he initially has made this project to store and index the web for the purpose of Yahoo search. And what had happened is this technology has quickly spread around the whole company, and it has proved to be a big hit that can solve the many problems. So Mr. Amar Avdallah, who is currently the Vice President of Developer Relations at Google Cloud, he initially was working with Yahoo and he is one of the co-founders of Cloudera. So he has given the Hadoop's history in detail. So year by year it is been given here as you can see in the particular presentation. So from 2002 to 2004, Dow and Mike was working on Nutch, and 2003 to 2004 Google was publishing the papers of GFS and MapReduce, and in 2004 Cutting adds DFS and MapReduce to support the Nudge. In 2006 Yahoo hires Cutting and Hadoop spins out of the Nudge. In the year 2007 New York Times converts 4 TB of archives over 100 EC2s. So EC2 is nothing but Amazon Elastic Cloud Compute. In 2008, the web scale deployments at Yahoo, Facebook, and Last.fm had happened. And in April 2008, Yahoo does the fastest sort of a terabyte. It takes around 3.5 minutes over 910 knots. And in May 2009, Yahoo does again a faster sort of a terabyte, which was done in 62 seconds over 1460 nodes. And also Yahoo sorts a petabyte of data in 16.25 hours over 3658 nodes. And in the year 2009, in September, Dow Cutting joins Cloudera. So this in 2008 actually recognizing the huge potentials of Hadoop, which can transform the data management across multiple industries. What Amar did was he has left Yahoo and he had co-founded a new company called as Cloudera. So Cloudera is a US based software company that provides a software platform for multiple industries like data engineering for data warehousing, machine learning, and analytics that run on both cloud as well as on premises. And here we had a mention of last.fm. You can just go to that particular site and see how it works. So it is a music website founded in the UK in the year 2002. It was using a music recommender system called as Audio Scrobbler, and it builds a detailed profile of each user's musical taste according to what we listen. So it what it does is it listens from the user's computer or the portable music devices which we use, and after that this data has been stored and it is been displayed on the user's profile page. And it is also used to create a reference pages for individual artists. And earlier it was having a big music store, and right now what they did is replaced it with the YouTube as well as the Spotify links wherever it is available. And this slide shows about the key milestone in the Hadoop's development. So in the 2005, as we have seen, the Docutting and Mike Frella developed the first version of Hadoop. And in 2006, it is set up as a separate Apache sub project, and Yahoo deploys it as a first production user. In 2008, the first Hadoop submit was done in California, and in the same year, the Cloudera was been founded. And in the year 2009, AWS introduces a cloud-based Hadoop platform. And in the same year, Dow Cutting has joined Cloudera. And similarly, we can see in different years what has been happened. So in 2011 also the Yahoo creates Hadoop focused spin-off Hortonworks, and Apache releases Hadoop's 1.0.0, which was a first fully enterprise ready version. And similarly you can see on different years what are the things that is happened in the Hadoop's development.